Les mets ouais paix. Fresse fête. Those are some simple words, but for Haitian, having them in this order could mean many things. Comment nous y? Bienvenue à la chaîne YouTube préférée nous. Hello. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Hola. Bienvenido à tu canal de YouTube favorito. Salut. Bienvenue à votre chaîne de YouTube préférée. My name is Lunel OLP and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel. This is Langpam and soon Langpao. In the latest video, we were focused on letter sounds / phonic and writing from words that sound similar in both in English and in Creole. Today, we are going to look at some short words and practice a little bit of reading. This is a beginner exercise that would help you in two ways, reading and speaking. La. La is the definite article that we've seen in a previous video. Example, chat la, but it could also mean there. Mettez li la. Put it there. Lap. Lap is the contracted form of li ap, where li is the third person pronoun and ap is the tense marker that indicates the present continuous. Lap, manger, is eating. Tan. Tan means wait. Tan moi la. Wait for me here. But it could also mean tender. Pois tan. Green beans. Tan also means exposure, display, or layout. Example, tan rad. Also, tan means set up. Tan piège. Hello guys, I can't tell you enough how much it has been difficult for me to record this video lesson. It has been over 3 weeks since your last upload, and I apologize for keeping you waiting. But I promise you, and I will keep my promise to get you one video lesson every week. Until then, let me try and then finish this lesson so you can enjoy it. Thank you. Pa. Pa means by. Patience. Also means not, do not, or does not. Li pa manger. Also means that of, and helps forms the emphatic possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns mostly used by the people from the metropolitan area. Example, caution ça c'est pas pal. Also means give a chance. Fait pas. And at least in the last means step. Yon pas, de pas. P. P could mean more than. Sarah pi belle que Isabella. But it could also mean the most. Parmi yo tout, Jeff pi intelligent. Pile. Pile means pile or stack. Pile orange. It could also mean battery. Mette pile na remote la. It also means o'clock. Li fait des pile. Le. Le means time. Qui l'est lié là. It also means your face, your mood. God fait l'air. Gardez l'air. Vous faites un courroux pas ouais. Gardez l'air. Yes. Let also means some voodoo phenomenon. Li pran yon kout le. And it also means the air. Mal pran yon ti le dehors. Père. Père means father. Father priest. Père also means fear. Afraid of. Li père Mardi Gras. Père also means pair, group of two. Des pères pigeons. I don't want to get a video over 5 minutes. I promise to keep it short. But if I keep going on this will be the longest video ever. So please comment down below. Let me know if this is the kind of video you'd like to watch. Thank you.
Moun yo ki ba abone ya, se kopon yo ba kopon sa ki abone ya. Abone, se subscribe. Lewe si rating la, se pou peze, apre sa ou deja abone. Apre sa wap wè tout lot an video ki poste ya. Bye guys, I love you. Maman. See you in the next video.